Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is Phil from Preferred Real Estate Brokers. We're here in California, not Florida. We're in San Marcos. We'll be checking out some KB homes. These are all in the mountains and everything. It's a beautiful area. You can see if you like the mountain areas. These are all in the 1 million plus in California. They say we're like about 45 miles away from San Diego, north of that. About an hour away from, say, like Irvine, California. Alright, let's go take a look inside and see what they got. Okay, the first one we're going to look at is the two-story. This is like a beautiful area around here, San Marcos. These are all KB homes. Let's go take a look inside. As we walk inside, this is plan 2929, which basically means it's 2,900 square feet. There's a bedroom in the front here as you walk in. Nice decoration. Nice big windows, plenty of light. Got a nice walk-in shower, single sink, bathtub. You've got garage access right there. As we walk in, opens up. What a beautiful area this is. Nice living area. Beautiful kitchen, 42-inch cabinets, nice pendant lights, a big sink. Nice fridge, gas appliances. Beautiful cabinets. There's a nice sitting area on here. Up in the dining room, a little bonus room here if you just want to hang out. Nice little wine racks and everything. Okay, they got nice sliding glass doors, nice and smooth. Nice sitting area here. A view of the mountains everywhere. Got some nice houses around here though. Let's go back inside. Okay, we've also got a half bath down here, just a toilet and closet. So take a look upstairs, see what we've got. Here we are, we've got a nice little sitting area up here. Spend your time up here. And let's go take a look at these first. This is where the washer and dryer. And the next bedroom. Walk-in closet. No. Okay, another bathtub, double sink with a shower tub combo. You see, I think this one's a 5-bedroom, 2-story. Go check out the primary. Decent size. It's nice in here. The toilet area. Nice walk-in shower, decent size with a big tub. Double sinks. It's very nice in here. Nice walk-in. Very nice. It's nice and cozy around here. There's San Marcos. It's a nice area. A lot of technical people, hospitals and stuff. Everything you need. These all come with solar panels. You can even get like their own insurance. Nice little park out there. Okay, the next plan we're going to look at is 2274. Okay, this one's a single story. As you walk in, nice open foyer. There's your office. Can also be used as a bedroom. Here's where your washer and dryer hookups are. As this is Ridgeview KB Homes in San Marcos, California. Like I say, it's about 45 miles north of San Diego, about another hour to Orange County. As it opens up, there's nice work on these cabinets. And this big pantry. Makes a big difference having the wood. Love the big sinks. And mess around with your big pots and that stuff. As I say, they have nice big gas appliances, your stove. Your pendants up there. This dining area. And so look in the primary bedroom. It's a decent size. A couple of windows. Nice decent walk-in closet. Check out the primary bathroom. There you go. Same thing, got a nice big old shower. Big tub, double sinks. Pretty nice. And it's the primary. So you checked out that bedroom. This one's a 4-bedroom. There's a double sink in here with shower tub combo. There you go. Pretty nice. Going to this one, there's another bedroom. So we've already been in that one. That's where they use it as the office. So basically you got a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, single story KB home, San Marcos. There you go.